While writing any kind of a research document, you have to go through multiple tools and platforms, starting from data gathering till finalization of your research document. And this takes a lot of time and effort and definitely distract your main purpose of writing a sound, solid, professional research document. With the innovation of AI, this problem has been solved, and Mura AI, an AI tool which is specifically designed for researchers, which help you in your entire research writing journey, starting from finding papers, screening them, extracting insights from them, and writing your final draft. Not only this, you can use its AI to enhance your writing, taking a review like a professional, and to make it more academic. This video is focusing on that how you can use Mura AI, starting from searching, chatting with your library, screening the important information from your literature, and writing a professional document. You can access the tool from the link available in description and can do your hands-on along with me to understand the step-by-step process more efficiently. After clicking the link, you can access the tool very easily. And as you can see, this tool has been designed specifically for researchers. Think fast, research faster. Your intelligent workspace for organizing, analyzing, and synthesizing research papers. And this tool is going to help you to perform all the tasks which you perform while writing any kind of a research document. So we will press on get started, and after that you have to feed the tool about your basic information and you will be able to sign up the tool. So when you direct it toward the home, you will have an option to create your own library, and to create the library there are multiple options. You can use multiple options to build your library. You can import the paper, you can use Google Scholar, you can use Semantic Scholar or AI search feature. All these 4 features are going to help you to gather the literature about your specific research topic, and you can use these 4 powerful features to build your library. For example, if you want to import the papers and you already have done the collection of your literature, you just have to click on it and you can connect your tool with the Zotero, or you can press on import and you can upload all your download research papers here. And when you upload your paper, the tool will start extracting the basic information from all the papers, and you can see here, you can add the priority tags here about which you want to see this list. In the same way, you can add the tags, and this is the summary. These are the author details, journal, year, citations, and all the basic details. And you can even start enriching by providing the name and providing the customization of this specific summary table to make it according to your requirement. Not only this, as I told you, you can use its Google search feature. For example, I just want to know about the application of ionic liquids, and I can use Google Scholar for this purpose. And you can see these all are the papers which have been suggested by Google Scholar. And by opening that specific paper, by clicking on the open button, I can access that paper and I can see the details. Either this is the relevant one and the same paper as the tool is suggesting, and after going through the details, I can add this to my library. And in the same way, I can go through the detail of all of the papers, or if I found them all relevant, I can add all to my library. The same feature I can use for Semantic Scholar, and I can use the same search term in the library of Semantic Scholar. And here I also find 7 paper which I can add to the library. And same approach I can use for its, when I click on tools, for its AI in search feature, which will allow me to find the papers according to my specific search query. So I will click on application, select the term, and I will write here about my specific keyword about which I want to collect the literature. And then this tool will suggest me the pattern of searching and the specific key terms which are being used. And after that, it will show me the list of papers which this tool search for me, and will show the links of all of the papers which I can just review by clicking on a view article. And if I found all of them relevant, I can press on add to library. So in this way, you can build your strong library by using its 4 features of building your library. And by adopting this approach, you will not miss a single paper which must be a part of your literature review library. And you will see all of these papers in this screening table, and you can see the quick insights of all of them just by going through this table. But when you click on the tools, you will see a lot of other features which is screening, annotation, enrichments, which help you to screen the data from that specific research papers, and you can perform multiple tasks by making that specific table more easy to understand and visually more interactive. Then you can synthesize a report and you can use its AI writing feature to write your document. So for example, I click on AI writing, then I start writing ionic liquids are, and then I will place the cursor, and tool will automatically suggest me some sentences which are going to help me to complete that incomplete sentence. And in this way, I can just accept or reject that sentence by pressing on the tab button. In the same way, I can enhance this writing according to my requirement, according to my needs, just by putting a new sentence after each sentence and taking the writing into the direction in which I want. When it's done, then I can select the specific sentence and I can press on in the citation, and I can select any paper which is more relevant to that specific statement from my library, and in this way I will be able to keep my writing under my control, and I will be able to see that which reference I am using for which sentence. The same approach I can use or I can adopt for every sentence or every paragraph, and I can move forward with writing and adding the references in that specific paragraph. And I can make this writing more professional just by using its Ask AI feature, which will help me to improve my writing, make the tone more academic, elaborate each information which have been mentioned in that paragraph, make it more concise or fix spelling or grammar mistake, simplify language. So for example, I click on improve writing. So as you can see, the tool is working on each sentence and helps me to improve the writing and suggest me the better alternative for each. So after done, I will have an option to accept or reject these changes, or I will accept it and the more refined and professional version will be there. In the same way, I can use its peer review feature, which helps me to add the comments against each statement, and this tool will act like a supervisor or commentator, and you can see these are the specific comments which have been added by the tool. Tunable nature is somewhat vague. Specify what structural features can be modified. So in this way, I can address these specific comments which have been provided by the tool to make this paragraph more academic and sounds more logical. In the same way, I can download the list of papers for my reference list just by selecting the style. So for example, I want to have an APA style of the reference list. I will press on generate, and all the references, which consist of 35 papers, will be arranged in APA styles, and I can copy it or even can download it. Not only this, when I click on its export feature, it will allow me to download all my files in the form of a zip file, or I can even click on the individual files and can download individually which file I want to download. So for example, I want to download library and citations. So I will click on the format in which I want. Then by placing the name of the library, I will be able to download this specific library, this specific file, in the format in which I want. As you can see, this is in a Word document format. So Mura AI is going to make your research writing process more easy, more handy, and you have to stay on a same tool for data gathering, data extraction, and for writing and making your writing more professional and more academic. You can access the tool from the link available in description, and if you need any assistance, you can ask in the comment section. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.